In John 9, verse 39 till 41, it reads as follows. It says here, Jesus said, I came into this world for judgment, in order that those who do not see will see, and those who do see will become blind. Some of the Pharisees who were with him heard these things and asked him, we aren't blind too, are we? If you were blind, Jesus told them, you wouldn't have sin. But now that you say, we see, your sin remains. So the first question here is, what is sin? Sin cannot be a thing you do. It must be something else. It cannot be a physical thing that they did at that moment. It must be something else. Sin is unbelief. They did not believe in what Christ did here, because in context the story is talking about Jesus restoring the blind man's sight to him. So that's why Jesus said that if you were blind, you wouldn't have sin. That's why the topic is about blindness, because they were spiritually blind. The Pharisees were spiritually blind. When we go down to John 5 verse 45, it says here, and this is in common with verse 39 of John 9. It says here, do not think that I will accuse you to the Father. Do not think that I will accuse you to the Father. This is Jesus speaking. He says, do not think that I will accuse you to the Father. Your accuser is Moses. Now why Moses? Because they made more of a hype about Moses than they did about who the scriptures were speaking of, who the scriptures proclaimed, who the prophets came to speak of. They came to speak of the Son of Man, the Messiah that will come, because Israel was waiting for the Messiah. And now today we have a high priest who is Christ, the anointed one, the anointing of God. But that's a topic for another day.